Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about the most requested video about my skincare routine. So let's get started. So I've been using these products from almost 8 to 9 months and I am using it constantly. I have not changed my skincare routine. As I've mentioned many times in my stories and my videos on Instagram that I love experimenting with my makeup products, but when it comes to skincare, I don't want to experiment. I am very choosy about the products because it's all about your skin. So this video is gonna be in two parts. My 15-day skincare, which I do generally after every 15 days, like a deep cleaning, and the second part will be my daily skincare routine, which is very simple, so I will not combine it because it's gonna be very long video. My skincare is very simple. It's not complicated at all. I don't put a lot of products on my face because my skin is a bit sensitive and a bit dry, basically normal, little bit of sensitive and quite dry, especially in the winters. It's very dry, so I just always look for the products which gives more hydration, and if the more hydration, it means a more glow to your skin. So I will be talking about the alternatives also, which you can easily get on Nykaa in India, and they are budget friendly also, and they are quite good and similar to the products which currently I am using. The scrub, I always use this Clinic Prep Start. It has 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliating scrub also. I use very small amount of scrub on my wet hands and massage very gently all over your face. It has very tiny bead particles of scrub which gently exfoliate your skin without making it rough and dry. Proper exfoliation is absolutely essential to a great skin. I massage just for 1 minute and then clean my face with normal cold water. And just remember not to rub your face with the towel, you just have to pat dry. Mamaearth Upton face scrub is equally good, and this Caffeine scrub is also good. I've heard very good reviews about these two products. I exfoliate my skin after every 15 days. I don't use scrub daily because if you will use the scrub frequently, it might damage your skin. So it's better not to use scrub daily. So after scrubbing, I do steaming. I do steaming also after every 15 days, not on regular basis. Steaming open up your pores and also soften your blackheads and whiteheads if you have, and make them easier to remove. So for removing the whiteheads and blackheads, I don't have blackheads generally. I have whiteheads only. So I always use this Bior nose strips. So I really like it. I would suggest, instead of using those pins which hurts a lot and it might damage your nose also, sometimes you get bumps, I really suggest this is really good. You can use any nose strips. They are very safe and it is very good. So before applying any nose strip, always put some water on your nose, otherwise the nose strips will not work, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm removing it. You have to pull towards up and it's a little bit painful, but definitely not very much. So yeah, just all done. And now look at those tiny white heads which were not visible, but here they are. And look at my nose now. I feel so clean and soft. Make sure you don't leave your face after removing whiteheads and blackheads like that. Always use toner or any good mask after removing whitehead, because our pores are fully open now and the dust can easily go, and which will make your skin more worse. So for the toner, I use this again, the Clinic one. It's anti-blemish solution clarifying lotion. I apply this toner very gently all over my face. Toner helps to remove excess dirt or oil from your face and balance the pH of your skin, and definitely control the acne also. So this is the best purchase I have ever done. I don't think so I can find out any alternative of this product for myself. It's especially for those who have acne problems. Like when I shifted to Zurich, I used to get a lot of acne. Nothing worked for me, only this worked and helped me a lot. I use it on alternative basis, and sometimes I use this toner also. It's by L'Oreal and it's really good. It has vitamin C as well. Another option is Pixie Glow Tonic. It's an exfoliating toner, and from the Plum also, it is also alcohol free toner. So moving on to the next step is masking. For the mask, I'm using Garnier Skin Active Pure Clay Mask. It's really good. You can use any mask which suits to your skin, and I will leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then clean my face with cold water. I can already feel the hydration and softness on my skin. I use face mask every week. I will be making a new video for that. I will be showing you all my top 5 face masks which I always use. So the next step is face serum or any facial oil. I'll be using this ordinary face serum. It has a vitamin C. My derma here suggested me we all should look for vitamin C, retinol, collagen. These ingredients after 30 plus is really important for the skin. I want my serum to penetrate nicely into the skin, so I'm using the derma roller. Here it's by Rosenthal Organics. You can use any derma roller if you wish to. It helps in blood circulation also, and if you have swollen face or puffy eyes, it will definitely helpful in that. You can go for O3 Plus Booster Serum. It also has a vitamin C, and Pixie Collagen Retinol Serum also. They both are very effective and have heard very good reviews about these two brands. So the last but not the least, the most important step of every skin care we all should not miss is moisturizing. For the moisturizer, I'm using this Clinique 72-hour replenishing moisture surge. It is gel based formula. It will not make your skin sticky or oily. It is really good. Hydrating my skin is really important for me. We all should moisturize our skin, whether it's oily or dry. Hydration plays a very important role in the skincare. Neutrogena water gel is equally good if you do not wish to buy the Clinique. So ending this video by applying lip oil on my lips by L'Oreal. So guys, this is the end of my skincare routine. I hope you like it. I keep it simple, don't put many products on my face, and I would say you guys should know your skin type and choose the right products for yourself. So guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.